Can you imagine your loved ones not having the recipes or stories from their past, from your past? The ones that just aren't in recipe books. They're passed down through love, repetition, stories, and memory. I couldn't imagine it either. That's why we created our recipe tree, so that the next generations, colleagues, coworkers, could know where we came from, not just through names and dates, but through the recipes and kitchen table stories that shaped our lives. Take Auntie Pearl's tea biscuits. Auntie Pearl was my mom and Jill's aunt. And those biscuits weren't just food, they were a picnic blanket in the living room, a jar of honey, and a piece of our family's history. Now, thanks to our recipe tree, that memory will never get lost. If you've ever tried to make a family recipe book, you know how hard it is. Group texts, scattered emails, messy printouts, and by the time it's done, it already needs an update. With our recipe tree, you don't have to do it the old way. It's a simple online space where your loved ones can add their own recipes and kitchen table stories. You type it once, just once. And from there, you can update it, you can edit it, you can add pictures, and use it in as many collections as you like, as many recipe books as you like. Everyone can contribute, and you can print a recipe book anytime. You can make it completely unique or simply refresh it when you want, and you're never doing it alone. We've made it easy with short instructional videos. Thank you, Jane. And we're always available to answer your questions. Anything you got. Plus, Jane's been filling the site and our social media with fun, recipes, prompts, and inspiration. So you're never short on ideas. We're always here cheering you on, part of your Roots crew. Because these aren't just recipes, they're how to remember the people we love. They're how we share who we are and the kitchens we came from. And now they finally have a home. Gift this wonderful location to your loved ones.